at the Truck Museum. I ain't reading all that. Coca-Cola and no. Theater? I don't think I want to see a video. A movie. That's a very cool truck. Hold on, let me get a closer look. Too bright. Here's my eyes. What in the world is this? Wait. There is absolutely nowhere in the world that really is that. Oh, dang it. What I was expecting. Guess it's a 2-in-1 truck. Where is everyone else at? Like, this one was 2 people, not including myself, is here. Oh, look, it's Michael. Michael. It's an antique. Does B stand for Bentley? Oh my god, this is a... I don't know what year this is, but this is a Bentley. 1936 Bentley. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's 1928. 1928. I'm gonna leave. That's a big one. No. What the fuck? Why is it unpainted? Whoa. Iowa 80. Alright, anyway. Oh, look, it's a lawnmower. I mean, a tractor. Yeah, tractor. Yeah, that's what I said. Look at all these trucks. That was a 20 right there. I would probably be like, wow, this rust bucket was really something great back then. Yeah, I hate trucks.